peace sign. You don't have to extend your arm.
Cheese.
Okay, look at this.
Okay, you can play a little bit while we let that cool down. You don't need to touch it.
Wait, I didn't film
Levi,
this
do you
for
want to
free.
cheers? Do you want to cheers?
1, 2, 3, cheers. Woo!
Wait. You got the whole collection?
Yeah.
Nice.
It was $12.
Yeah. Okay, let's not get.
Unless you clogged it with the noodles. It is like 90 degrees outside. The dogs are dying. Waiting for their filtered water and ice cubes. Fit check. Impromptu Ikea fit check. We got the Red Sox hat. Fraud. This brand, whatever that is, and whatever this is. Anyways, we're going to Ikea because we have an offer for 10% cash back on one of our credit cards, and we have to buy some stuff from Ikea anyway, so we figured we'd go before the offer goes away. That's what we're doing. Okay. I'm wondering if, because COVID apparently doesn't exist in this country anymore, do they have the candy bar open at Ikea? That's what I'm wondering. Of course, the Ikea that we live closest to has to be the most annoying one. It's not telling us where any of our items are, so we're literally walking down the aisles. 30 minutes to kill. No candy bar. Might cop a hot dog, who knows? Apparently, like the independent dumbass that I am, I was gonna try and look for it, but the Ikea here has like half of their warehouse closed off, and you have to wait in line for somebody to get it for you. I was so confused why the bin and the aisle numbers were not showing up, and that's why. So today's lesson is don't go to the Schaumburg Ikea ever again. Only the one in Wisconsin or the one in Boilingbrook, basically.
I mean, to be fair, they're going through renovations, so that's why I made everything way harder.
Yeah, I've never seen that, and that was really confusing. But is that why
Right?
the warehouse is under renovation?
Yeah, no, like the whole entire store, they had different sections where they said, "Oh, we're going through renovations," and I'm assuming that is also the Walmart thing, because why would you close off half your warehouse?
That's
I was
what I'm
like,
saying.
why is it so tiny?
I was really confused, and I was prepared to walk. Okay, hold on. Anyways, I was prepared to walk up and down every aisle to find the damn cabinets and Uriel's workbench. That's what we went there for. I'm gonna try and do a little Ikea hack thing. Stay tuned for that. Raise your hand if you've ever been to a cheer competition here. Put your arm out. Our third night in a row. Korean barbecue with the portable grill. We can't help ourselves. The sounds of summer. Construction.